Alright, kings and queens, your boy UP King. Quick update on the 87 box Chevy. See, I got the tarp in there, and that was because I needed to cover it off. And here's the reason why. So we got that roof off in there. Now I must say, when I did it, I honestly don't really care for, the little humps that's in the top when you drop them in. And I actually had it sitting on the inside to where this part of the roof was sitting on top of this skin of the G6 roof. And I actually like that better because this portion tucked under, and I think that would look better than the hump sitting over and then trying to do the body work. So if anybody's tried it that way, let me know. Maybe it won't work that way. I kind of think it will and will sit flush a little bit better, because I just don't like the hump over the back and then trying to make it look, factory. My cuts is a little sketchy, but that's all good. We're gonna fabricate everything. Since we know a little bit about doing a little fab work, we're gonna make that work, so that's no big deal. But yeah, and we got it wired up. So I mean, we definitely in there. Just trying to decide whether I want to go the route that I'm going. There's nothing to cut these cars up, man. You can get them anywhere and everywhere. Depending on what kind of money you want to spend on them. Like I said, I got 4 of them. So if I had to, I can cut the roof off another one and put it back on this one, weld it back in, and make it look back factory. I'm really playing with this one, so it's no big deal. And this one is kind of acting up on me, but I got a few more. There we go. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all this quick update. So somebody jump in them comments, man, tell me what you think. Over or under? I'm liking under right now instead of over. But I'm definitely coming with it. Finna jump in this box game with you guys. All you box Chevy riders. I'm definitely finna jump in there with y'all. If you watch the other channel, then you know what's going on with the motor. So we'll be bringing that content too. So this your boy UP King, and we out.